శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam, Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Uddhava, sharing all his divine memories of Sri Krishna Paramatma with Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma along with his brother Baladeva tataha sa agatya puram swapitroho chikirshaya. He went to Madhura Nagaram to take care of his parents. To make his parents happy, Krishna Paramatma went to Madhura Nagaram along with his brother Baladeva. O Vidura, Krishna Paramatma lived 11 years in Nandavraja and Brindavan. After that, he took his brother Baladeva and went to Madhura. O Vidura, when Krishna Paramatma went to Madhura, there Kamsa arranged Chanura, Mushtika, those two demons, to kill Krishna. But Krishna killed those Chanura, Mushtika, and then Krishna dragged Kamsa from his Simhasanam and then killed Kamsa also. Like that, Krishna Paramatma did Kamsa Samharam. After that, O Vidura, such Vedavedya, all the Vedas talks about Paramatma. Such great Paramatma, Krishna Paramatma, Naluvoppanga, Shadanga Yukta, మహిత ఆమ్నాయంబు షష్ఠి విద్యలు సాందీపనే సకృత్ ప్రోక్తం. కృష్ణ పరమాత్మ reached Sandipani, such a great guru, and Krishna Paramatma finished his education under Sandipani, great guru. That guru just said only once. He just taught Vedangas, all Shastras and all kind of arts to Krishna Paramatma only once. That's all. Krishna Paramatma grasped each and everything. And after he finishes his education under Sandipani Guru, Krishna Paramatma wanted to give a Guru Dakshina. Then Krishna Paramatma learned that Sandipani Guru's son is dead. So Krishna Paramatma went to Panchajana's Rakshasa. He peeled out Panchajana's stomach. There Sandipani's son is there. So Krishna Paramatma brought that Guru's son alive. Guru Dakshinaga Ati Bhakti Yuktin Arpinche. With all of his devotion, Krishna Paramatma gave Sandipani's son as a Guru Dakshina to Sandipani, who is Guru. Like that, O Vidura, Sakshat Krishna Paramatma did served his own Guru Sandipani. Like this, Uddhava saying to Vidura. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.